Hi and welcome. I am Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. Today I'm going to be sharing a small video on how to prep your luscious kid mohair locks. Now this is so you can make absolutely stunning, super soft yarns. You'll be able to also use them in your weaving, your felting projects, Nuno felting, and other. You could probably even use it for making doll's hair and other projects as well. I will share some of the yarns that you could make, and I will then continue. So these are my latest ones. Absolutely stunning. Two different types of signature yarns of mine. I recently shared this one, and I also have a video for this one coming as soon as the computer's fixed. But I've added less locks to this one than I did with this one. But they are so beautiful. I have also added locks to super coils, single ply, but I prefer to do a lock with an auto wrap if I'm going to do a single ply, because it keeps it all together. So you'll need scissors to cut off the dead ends, the matted ends, and the VM, a bag for your scraps, something to put your good stuff in, and this is what it looks like before you've prepped it. This is washed. When you pull out your staples, you'll get little Locky sections. Throw away the VM if it has some. And like this, the end there is a bit matted, so you just cut that off, discard it, and that's a staple. The same, you do that to all of it. To prep 100 grams of locks can take up to a week to complete. It will hurt your back too, so have lots of breaks. Lots of breaks in between. When you pull it apart, you can choose how thick you want your sections. I love the really waxy locks because it gives you a better crimp than the more fluffy ones. That's about the size I break them up to. And you get a lot from just one lock. For 100 grams skein, you probably only use about 25 grams. And that's how you prep your locks. If you're going to use them for doll's hair, you can just prep it by cutting the ends or leaving it all together and leaving them in larger locks. If you're going to use it for felting, you can do whatever you want. So the thickness is really up to you. Some people spin really thick locks like this and have it sticking out of the yarn, and little tiny bit spun into thing. Others will prep it like this and then just spin it directly onto your bobbin. I like to add it as a core spun over the top of a single ply yarn, giving a beautiful color underneath the lock. I also love to dye these. They turn out so pretty and so shiny, and when adding a beautiful colored lock to a yarn, it is just so pretty. This is for a custom order, and it's required a white lock. I'm making up 300 grams of this yarn at the moment. I've already spun 200, and this is the last one. And just continue. I will have lots of breaks doing this because my back gets so sore. So I hope this short tutorial was helpful to you, and that you enjoy the short ones. Please comment down below if you prefer shorter tutorials over longer ones, or you like both. I do have a poll up on my community posts if you'd like to go and vote on what you like, because I'm really curious and I do these for you guys. And if you prefer the shorter videos, I'm more than happy to do them. Alright, have a wonderful week, and bye for now. And I always forget, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. It does help. And I do have a giveaway coming up once I hit 2,000. Hit the notification bell if you'd like to see all my videos. I'm going to try update and add videos a lot more often. Gonna try get maybe two or three small videos a week. And yes, awesome. Thank you so very much for joining me. Bye for now.